This is the completed water tower hammer from a couple of blacksmithing videos ago. This nub I've left on the end is probably useless, and so I'll probably cut that off. My forge is in serious need of relining. I want to recognize the following fellows for their recent generosity in donating to the channel. They are Eric Bays, Matthew West, Larry Fetters, and Gary Johnson of Mighty Sharp. Even a buck or two goes a long way to helping me take time for videos, though these guys donate well beyond that. Thanks. These are the refractory materials I have: a fibrous board for the ceiling, walls, and the bottom of the floor, the subfloor, and then I'll use this ceramic board on the top of the floor. I won't show this process since I've shown that once or twice before. Oh, there it is, all ready to use. My forge is a Diamondback Ironworks forge for anyone that's interested. I've made some minor modifications, but this forge is absolutely indestructible. I've been using it for countless years, maybe close to 10 years, and none of the parts have broken down. So, highly recommended. Upon first fire up, this blackening of the refractory board is normal. Something carbonaceous needs to burn off, and after a little use, it'll go back to white. The black is already starting to disappear, but just by listening I can tell something's not right. It's not firing correctly. It's burning a little better, but it still has a rough, throaty type of sound that tells me it's not burning with a neutral flame. From experience, I know the small orifice from which gas is coming out is not properly centered in the burner pipe. I made adjustments by rotating it and also moving it left and right, and now it's working perfectly. It sounds perfect, and it's heating up my steel very quickly with a good neutral flame. On to a bunch of customer touch marks. This gentleman has his design in 2 sizes. This one is really intricate. For anyone interested, I don't make these, but a professional engraver I know does. He's an older gentleman here in Taiwan. I just facilitate getting them made for my customers and subscribers. This good friend of the channel also has his in 2 sizes. In my mind, this one wins the award for creativity. This gentleman does beekeeping. I really like this one. That's all for now. Catch you guys next time.